Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorials how to make an image transparent. I will insert for example image. You can go to file, click import, and then I will use this image. Click open and then click OK. So it will be automatically attached and we can resize the image. So I will move into this canvas. After it, if you want to make transparent this image, you can select and then go to fill and stroke tab. After it, in the bottom you can see the opacity tools. You can decrease to make it transparency like this. Okay, to show you only go into 100%, and then through transparency you can decrease the point for the opacity. Okay, that's it for basic Inkscape tutorials how to make an image transparent. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.